Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the difference between the IMShow functions of CV2 library and the Matplotlib PLT library. So first of all, we have to understand that the CV2 expects the image format in BGR, or it reads the image in BGR format, which is blue, green, red. Those are the three channels of an image, of a colored image, while most of the other libraries do that in normal RGB format. CV2 has this peculiar property because of some historical reasons, and that is the reason it has when it is still it is different from the other libraries, as in it reads the image in the BGR format and displays it in, like, the display will be the same which we are expecting, but internally it will store the information in NumPy, as in the channels are exchanged first blue, green, and then red. And so here we are talking about the library which is Matplotlib. It expects and it reads the image in normal RGB format. Now also, this is important that the image which we are supplying to the code is in which format. Okay, here we have taken a picture of rows so that we can understand, we can see the difference clearly, the difference between the blue color in the background and the red color in the foreground of the flower. And it is we can see the dimensions are 275 by 183, and it is in RGB format. Okay, so this code we start with reading with CV2, and we show also with CV2. So that's why the name of the window is CV2 to CV2. So I'll just quickly go through the code, and then we'll explain what happens when we run this code. Then we are trying to see, if I read the image with PLT and then I show it also in PLT, then what happens? So that is named as PLT to PLT. So it is expecting it in RGB, and the result is also given RGB. Now in both these cases, we will see the original image, because this happens internally and there's nothing to do with what it shows. Now the question comes when we are the difference comes when we are reading the image in CV2 and we are trying to show it in PLT. Okay, so what happens here is that the CV2 is reading it in BGR format, but PLT expects that in RGB. Hence, the blue, the red channel has the blue color, and the blue channel has the red color. Hence, the channels are reversed, and we see a reversed image. Okay, so let's just comment out everything else in this code and see what happens if we run that much. Okay, we'll just stop it at that place. Okay. Okay, so we see that both the windows of CV2, this is CV2, reading and plotting in CV2, and reading and plotting in PLT. Okay, and then here it is reading in CV2 and plotting in PLT, or showing in PLT. So the channels are reversed. The blue in the background is somewhat orangish, which is kind of red, and the red in the background is blue. So the channels are reversed. Also, we see that in the one main other difference is that between CV2 plotting or showing and the IMShow of PLT and IMShow of CV2 is that the the image is originally is in it's shown in CV2 as original size, but in the Matplotlib it just scales that image according to its scale, which is given here. So that's why the difference in the size of the images which we see. Here it scales accordingly according to these X and Y axis scales, but in CV2 it just shows the original size. Okay, that is another difference. Now let's see what to do if I want to read properly in PLT as well. What to do when we are reading in CV2 and I want to show it in PLT, how to do the conversion. Okay, so now let's read the image once again over here. Okay, okay, so here I'm using this optional parameter which we didn't use before, just to show that this also gives the image in BGR format only. It will not have any difference. It's an optional parameter. So sometimes we will see the code written in like this, so that doesn't matter. Now here I am trying to again, read it in this CV2, and I'm showing it in PLT. So again, it will be the same. It expects it in the RGB, but it will show your VGR. Okay. Now, but in the same case, if I show this image in your in CV2, it will be the same original image. Okay. This is just a repetition, nothing new in this. Now we come to the convert color function which we have in place. So what this convert color does is, there are two types of conversions which we have used here. One is RGB to BGR and one is BGR to RGB. So the both of them actually, if we can use like either of them to do any of the conversion, it won't matter, because the main aim of this function is to just reverse the channels, replace blue with red. Okay, so you can see that I am trying to do the conversion using both the RGB to BGR and BGR to RGB. It won't matter, both of them will give me the image as in RGB format, because here the image is in BGR because I have read it through the CV2. Okay, but once I convert it to BGR, RGB, and then I again use the same any of these functions if I can use to convert it back. So here this IMG2 is in RGB, and if I want to convert it again to BGR, I can just use this function again. Any of these functions will be okay. So why we have when the same function is doing same thing, there's no difference in these two functions as such. Why we have these in functions places that, because just to make the ease of it. Okay, otherwise we can use either of them, but normally we will, once we know that the original image in BGR, so we will use BGR to RGB, or we know that the original image in RGB, I'll use RGB to BGR, right? But if you even if you use the other one, it won't matter, it will give the same result. We can test it by having this command in place, which checks whether the two arrays, numpy arrays, are same or not. So IMG1 and IMG2, converting the image to RGB from BGR, it is same, but image 2 and image 3, which is converting the image into different channels, is not same, it gives you false. And similarly, image 3, which is converting the BGR to RGB using either of the function, is also same. So just this is just a information. Suppose sometimes you type in the other function and you think why it's not working or why it is working, that's the reason behind it. Okay, so now, so we'll just change the convention over here. We'll just go save the imread function of CVT in image underscore BGR, and then using this another name, I'll convert that to RGB, and when I show it on the IM show of CV2 and on PLT, you can see that this will be showing as in BGR, and this will be showing after the conversion a normal, the normal image. Okay, and then this particular function can also be done by using this slicing functionality of the arrays. So we are not changing the first channel of the first argument, which is the width. Then this is the height. We're not changing those. We are only reversing the last parameter or the last argument, which is nothing but RGB or BGR. So if we just reverse that, it just reverses the channels as done by this function. So that is also doing the same thing. Now I will run it and will explain on the go what is happening. So CVT to CV2 is read and show in CV2, read and show in PLT, same. Then read in CV2 to PLT is reversed, of course. Then again CV2 to PLT, we had not reversed it, like we did not use that function. So again, it is showing the reverse. Okay, now CVT to PLT after the convert, after using the converted the function CVT color, it shows properly. If we read in CV2, and yeah, okay, 1 second, I'll just play it again. Okay, now image BGR is your original one, then CV2 to PLT after convert, and then CV2 to PLT after convert by slice function also gives the same result. I hope it is clear now. Happy coding.